side, and holy shit, it changes the car so much. I fucking love it. I love it. Hey, that's me. Adora, baby. AMC TITO. We have officially made it to the shop.
Thousand years later.
As you can see, it needs a lot of work. It needs a battery and a bunch of other things. These are the tires that are going to be going on the wheels for the WRX. They are some Yokohamas. Check this out. Before I start taking anything apart, I'm gonna start by putting the tires on the wheels. I'm also gonna be linking some of the tools that I used on my Amazon store, products that Chris also uses with me at the shop. That's what it's gonna look like. If you want to know what the best wheel cleaner is, this is it. Get yourself one of these, and you will be set. I promise you, the best wheel cleaner ever. Bam, sitting there drying. These two are ready to go. So I got the driver's side in, passenger side is about to go on. It's been actually a pretty easy process. The only thing that's been lengthy is the painting of the wheels. They're drying, they're on the final coat of clear coat. Two wheels and tires are ready to go, they're ready to mount. So as soon as I get these in the front ready, I'm gonna throw them on and show you guys what it's gonna look like. So I have it on now on the driver's side, and holy shit, it changes the car so much. I fucking love it. I love it. Look at this. It looks so fucking good. Hell yeah. Damn. So I got it snugged on there. They're not torqued yet, but holy shit, this looks so fucking sexy. And I gotta do the back ones, and we're ready to go. I just gotta torque everything, and I'm gonna wipe it down because it's super dusty, and we're gonna go snap some freaking sick freaking photos. So if you want to buy some tools, I got gear wrenches with ratchet. I have Milwaukee, I have a light, I have a few things on my Amazon store. So go ahead and head to the link, go get yourself some tools, or there's some parts on Amazon that you could buy for these. There's axle bags, there's headlights, tail lights, there's a few things that I put on there. So if you want to get some mods for your car, there you go. There she is, all nice and done. All right, let's take it for a drive.
Siempre le di lo que tenía que dar, siempre le di lo que tenía que dar, siempre le di lo que tenía que dar. Este es mi lugar, nadie me lo quitará. Al 100 yo le voy a dar, nadie me va a parar, nadie me va a parar. Todos me van a mirar y llorar, de gritar y cantar. Todos me van a mirar.
We have made it to the beautiful downtown LA. I'm gonna snap some photos. The car looks super nice, it looks sick, especially at night, at this spot. Daytime, I'm sure it's gonna look great, but at night at night you can see it. It looks super nice. I love it. I want to say thank you to Reaction for taking care of me. It's a pleasure and an honor running your guys' coilovers. It's amazing. Freaking love it. We made it to the next spot, and we are in, I believe, Glendale. So it's been a crazy day. Man, I'm gonna snap some photos here, snap some photos in downtown. This place looks sick, so they're already getting super dusty. I should have ceramic coated them, but then again, they're spray painted, so whatever. I'm probably gonna get them powder coated because I love this color. It looks so sick. A lip. That's it. Game over. That's enough for me. I could throw a bunch of other shit on there, but I like simple, you know? It looks cool. So if you are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the whole video. It's almost 6,000 of us. Thank you guys for the support. I've kind of been missing. I've been doing a lot of YouTube shorts. If you've been watching those, thank you for the support again. And if you guys want to buy some tools or car parts for your Subaru, I have some linked in my description box down below. I just want to say the cinematics could have been a lot better. I did bring my stabilizer. I'm just too lazy to pull it out. So, yeah.